everyone. So we have discussed about the B2B and B2C model. So today's lecture we will discuss about the B2B2C, which is business to business to consumer. So the B2B2C model combines aspects of both B2B and B2C relationships. In this model, one business partners with another business in order to deliver products or services to the final consumer. In this model, one business partner with another business. So the first business may produces while the second business provide a platforms, which is the distribution network that connect the product with customer. So this partnership allows both business to benefit while providing the value to consumer. So these all are the learning objectives of B2B. We will discuss about the structure and value of the chain and compare both model which we have discussed earlier, and also discussed about customer problem, technological development, and user experiences. Now come on the definition. So in simple term, B2B2C uh, refers to a structure where a company sells its products through another businesses that interact directly with the consumer. For instance, a manufacturer may produce goods, but instead of selling them directly to customers, the company sells them through an online marketplace or retailers. This approach allows businesses to reach larger audience without investing heavily in their own distribution system. So you can see this the flow chart. First one is a manufacturer, retailer, and consumer. Manufacturer is the business, retailer is also the business, and the consumer stand for the C. So this is the business to business to consumer model. Now how it work? It will work into the three steps. You can see that the first step is the manufacturer or services. For example, a food brand develops a product or services. Second step is that the business partners with another company that already has access to customer. And the third is the consumers purchases the product through the partner's platform or distribution services or system. This collaboration allow each company to focus on its strength and while benefit giving the benefits from the shared resources. So now discuss about the characteristics. This model is characterized by the strong partnership and collaboration between businesses. Each organization contribute the specific resources such as product development, marketing, and like expertise or distribution networks. uh, Technology platform offer sometime the platform play a very important and major role in connecting the businesses with customers. This model is particularly beneficial for small companies that want to reach large market without building their own infrastructure. So now let us look about some of the advantage and which is the benefit of business to business to consumer model. So one important advantage is a wider market match. It's mean a wider market based by uh, partnering and establishment platform. For example, we have an example is a small restaurant may not have the resources to build its own delivery system or marketing infrastructure. However, by joining a food delivery platform, the restaurant to and immediately access the thousands of potential customers who already use that platform regularly. So another advantage about the cost, reduce marketing cost, focus its strength. A manufacturer concentrate on producing um, and making high quality products, while the partner platform manages marketing, customer interaction, and distribution. This collaboration allows both companies to operate more efficiently and expand their market reach without market large investment in the new infrastructure or firms. Challenges of B2B B2C. Although the B2B B2C model offers many benefits, um, it also presents certain challenges. One of the main and basic challenges is have to dependency on partner. You can see that. So have to share their profits with the partner platform. For example, when a restaurant receives an order through a delivery app, like through the services, the app, which is a percentage of the payment goes to platform as a service fee. You know that another challenge is the reduced control over the customer services. If there are delay delivery due to technical issues like server in this platform, the customer may blame the restaurant or product services. They are unaware about the services and technological issue and server issue provided, even that though a problem occur on the platform side. Because of this, businesses must carefully select reliable partners. So it's very essential for any business to select reliable partners and maintain a strong relationship with them before outsourcing anything for the company. Now come on the real world example. A common example and the basic example model is the seen in online marketplaces. Many product manufacturers sell their items through a large e-commerce platform rather than their own website. For instance, a small electronics brand may produce headphones or accessories but sell them through a large online marketplace. Customer visit the platform, browse different products, compare prices, and place orders directly through the website models application. In this situation, the manufacturer focuses on creating the product while the platform handles payments, like processing, customer interaction, customer feedback, customer logistics. Both businesses work together to deliver the value and the valuable things to the final consumer. We have the last one example is that the travel booking platform is found in the travel industry. Hotels and airlines often partner with online travel platform that allow customer to search and compare the travel options. When a traveler wants to book a hotel room, they may use a travel booking website instead of contacting the hotel directly. The platform displays available hotel room prices and customer reviews. After selecting the room, the customer completes the booking through a platform. So, in this case, the hotel provides the service, uh, facilities, the booking process, and the traveler receive the final services. This collaboration clearly demonstrates how the B2B2C model operates. Uh, role of digital technology is one of the most important role in this model because online online platform, mobile applications, and cloud-based system allow business to connect with each other and with consumer in very efficient ways. Technology makes it possible to manage payments, track orders, analyze the customer data, and improve service delivery. Without digital platform, many of the modern B2B B2C services we used to today would not exist. For example, mobile apps allow customer to place order instantly, while business receive the real-time notification and respond quickly to customer need. So these all are the definition about the B2B, B2C, and how they work into the three step. First, the business. Second one is a business, another platform with the help of collaboration. And the third one is a consumer. And we have already discussed about the advantages and benefit, and also this model faces many challenges, and also we have quoted about the real world examples. Now this time is a comparison uh, between the business to business B2B scenario and a case scenario restaurant using food delivery platform, and we have already discussed. So when the restaurant wants to increase the customer reach, so partner delivery platform with the Uber as such as Uber Eats, so customer places order through the app and the process the order and restaurant prepare the food. This is the complete chain which want very smooth services. Delivery is completed to the final consumer flow. The first flow is the restaurant delivery platform and the consumer. So these all are the key features of the of our third model: the partnership between the two business, shared customer access, platform-based services, revenue sharing within business between among the businesses. So this time to comparison, our lecture we have discussed earlier. At this stage, it is helpful to briefly compare the three model we have discussed: B2B, B2C, and B2B2C. In the B2B model, transaction occur between businesses. Organization purchases goods and services to support their operation. So in the B2C model, business sell product directly to individual consumers. And in the third B2B B2C model, two business collaboration to deliver products or service to the final consumer. So understanding this different differences helps to identify how company structure their operation and reach their customer in different industries. So we can also reflect the real time example to better understand this model about their own daily experiences. When you buy groceries from the supermarket, uh, when a participating in B2C transaction, when a hospital purchases the medical equipment from a supplier, that is an example of B2B interaction. When you model order the food through a delivery application that connect the restaurant with the consumer and customers. This instruction between the three B2B, B2C, because two business collaborate to serve you as a final consumer. So recognize this type of businesses operate the real world awareness. So what are the importance of this model? So understanding this model to important for several reasons. The first one and the most important thing is the entrepreneurs choose the most appropriate strategy for delivery product and service to customer. Second one, it allows the businesses to identify opportunities. Partnership can help recognition, expand their market, and improve efficiency. The third one, marketing, understanding this model helps student and professional analyze how modern businesses function in competitive and technology driven market. So the key important, like some when we summarize the key point from today's lecture, we example the three major business models that are widely used in the market economics. The B2B model focus on transaction between organization. The B2C model focus on direct interaction between business and individual. The B2B B2C model combines these two approaches by allowing businesses to collaborate and reach consumer through partner platform. Each model serves as different purpose and is used in different businesses environment and depending on the goal of an organization. So as we conclude today's session, it is important to remember these business models are not isolated from each other. In many industries, companies use multiple models simultaneously to reach different types of customers. So, in the next lecture, we explore the digital transportation, transformation, and modern technology. So, this is today's lecture. We have completed B2B and B2C and B2B B2C complete model in today's class. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you.